Hey, hello guys, welcome back to the channel Medical Pyrexia. So, today we are going to start gluteal region, and in which we study the cutaneous innervation of gluteal region, structure cover under gluteus maximum. This is the important topic as per the profs, and its clinical anatomy, on which the Trendelenburg sign is important one. So, let us start. So, the gluteal region is the region overlies the side and back of the pelvis and is subdivided into four segments. This is we say upper posterior, this is upper interior, this is lower posterior, and this is lower anterior, in which we study the cutaneous innervation, means which nerve peers out which segment. Okay, so here L1, L2 and L3 and S1, S2 and S3 means these nerves are coming from where? From the lumbar region and the sacral region, and it is the part of the posterior primary rami. Okay, and here there is a nerve which we called a lateral cutaneous branch of iliohypogastric nerve, and this part is innervated by the thorax and the lumbar region, that means T12 and the L1. Now about lower anterior part, this is supplied with the L2 and N3, and in which two branches from the posterior division of lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh has been come. Now here there is a branch from posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh and the branches of sacral region, that is S1, S2 and S3, and there is a nerve which we call perforating cutaneous nerve. Okay, so this is all about the cutaneous innervation of gluteal region. So now let we study the structure cover under gluteus maximus through a diagram, which is the vertical section showing muscles of the gluteus region. Now here is the tensor fascia lata, which drawn from the green color, and from which the highlighted by green color is the muscles of the gluteus region. This is gluteus maximus, this one is gluteus medius, or this is minimus. Okay, here this is tensor fascia lata, and there extension, or we can say modification of tensor fascia lata becomes to be iliotibial tract. This is rectus femoris. Okay, this is obturator externus, this is adductor magnus, this muscle is known as biceps femoris, and here is the tricipital tendons. Now about its nerve, arteries and veins. So this is the superior gluteal nerve and artery, and these are inferior, so this is known as inferior gluteal nerve and artery, and these are posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh, and this is sciatic nerve as per the gluteal region is situated back to the lower limb. Okay, so जो हमने पढ़ा हम उसकी थ्योरी देखेंगे. तो इसकी मसल्स हमने अभी पढ़ी, तो इसमें ये ग्लूटियस मीडियस जो कि सप्लाई किससे होती है? सुपीरियर ग्लूटियल नर्व. ग्लूटियस मिनिमस इज सप्लाइज बाय सुपीरियर ग्लूटियल नर्व. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या आता है कि जो मैक्सिमस होती है वो किससे होती है? वो होती है इंफीरियर ग्लूटियल नर्व. ओके, नाउ piriformis, reflected head of rectus femoris, obturator internus with 2 gemelli, and जो इसकी अपर वाली होती है, सुपीरियर वन होती है, वो नर्व टू इंटरनस वाले से सप्लाई होती है, और जो इंफीरियर वाली होती है वो नर्व टू फीमोरिस वाले से सप्लाई होती है. ऑब्ट्यूरेटर फीमोरिस is supplied by nerve to quadratus femoris, and obturator externus is supplied by nerve to muscle of it. Okay, and here is origin of four hamstring muscle from ischial tuberosity, and there are some vessels which we study from first, that is superior gluteal vessel, inferior gluteal vessel, internal pudendal vessels, ascending branch of the medial circumflex femur, trochanteric anastomosis we see it, cruciate anastomosis, and the first perforating artery, and it is the part of the profunda femoris artery, which is also the branch of the femoral artery. Now about nerves: superior gluteal nerve, inferior gluteal nerve, sciatic, posterior cutaneous nerve of thigh, nerve to the quadratus femoris, pudendal nerve, nerve to the obturator internus, perforating cutaneous nerve. Now about its bones and joints. So ilium, ischium with ischial tuberosity, upper end of femur with the greater trochanter, sacrus and coccus, hip joint and sacroiliac joint. About its ligament: first one is sacrotuberous ligament, sacrospinous ligament, and ischiofemoral ligament. Okay, now about its bursas. So trochanteric bursa of gluteus maximus, bursa over the ischial tuberosity, and bursa between the maximus and the vastus medialis. Now some structure are undercovered to the gluteus medius. These are superior gluteal nerve, deep branch of superior gluteal artery, and gluteus minimus इसके नीचे होता है, एंड ट्रोकैंट्रिक बर्सा हम देखते हैं ग्लूटियस मीडियस के. ओके, नाउ अभी हमने पढ़ा सैक्रोट्यूबरस लिगामेंट एंड सैक्रोस्पाइनस लिगामेंट. सो ये क्या होता है? लॉन्ग एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग लिगामेंट होते हैं बिटवीन द मीडियल मार्जिन ऑफ द ischial tuberosity and the posterior iliac spine, and this is the posterolateral boundary outlet of the pelvis. Now sacrospinous ligament, it is short, thick, triangular band deep to the sacrotuberous ligament. Okay, and it's attached to the lateral ischial spine, and second one to the medial to the sacrocoaxial junction. So this is all about this. In my next video we'll study the Trendelenburg sign and also study its clinical anatomy. So thank you. Hope you guys like my video. So please subscribe and share my video. Thank you.